Are you ready to embark on a journey through the mesmerizing wonders of India? Brace yourself, for we are about to unveil the countless treasures this incredible country holds. From its rich history and vibrant culture to its breathtaking landscapes and mouth-watering cuisine, India is a land that will capture your heart and leave you longing for more. Let us begin by delving into the captivating history of this ancient land. India boasts a heritage dating back thousands of years, with legends and myths intertwining seamlessly with reality. The country has been home to numerous mighty empires and has witnessed the rise and fall of majestic dynasties. From the enchanting Mughal architecture of the Taj Mahal to the intricate carvings of the ancient temples in Hampi, every corner of India is a testament to its glorious past. India's cultural tapestry is equally enchanting. It is a land where diversity thrives, with every state embracing its own unique traditions and customs. The vibrant festivals that dot the calendar lend a riot of colors to the streets. Witness the grandeur of Diwali as millions of lamps light up the night sky, or immerse yourself in the exuberant celebrations of Holi, where people dance and playfully shower each other with vibrant powdered colors. India's cultural mosaic is simply spellbinding. As you traverse this magnificent country, you will be mesmerized by the kaleidoscope of landscapes that unfold before your eyes. From the snow-capped peaks of the mesmerizing Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa in the west, India offers a breathtaking variety of natural wonders. Marvel at the serene backwaters of Kerala, cruise along the majestic Ganges River, or go on a thrilling safari in the vast national parks, where you may encounter tigers and elephants in their natural habitat. India's scenic beauty knows no bounds. A true sensory delight, Indian cuisine is renowned worldwide for its burst of flavors and aromas, from the fiery spices of the north to the delicate flavors of the south. The diverse regional cuisines will tantalize your taste buds. Indulge in the mouth-watering butter chicken, savor the fragrant biryanis, or treat yourself to the delectable sweets like gulab jamun or rasgulla. Food lovers will be in a paradise of flavors, as every meal becomes an experience to cherish. India's people are the heart and soul of this incredible nation, warm, hospitable, and always ready with a smile. Indians embrace visitors as family. From bustling cities to remote villages, you will be greeted with open arms and heartfelt hospitality. Immerse yourself in the local culture, learn traditional arts and crafts, or simply engage in conversations with the locals, and you will witness the warmth and kindness that define India. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to be amazed by the great wonders of India. Immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, indulge in its rich history, and surrender to the beauty of its landscapes. Let India captivate you with its charm. Flight from of Kiptes, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. A timeless land of beauty, spirituality, and endless possibilities awaits you. Welcome to incredible India.